Hello.
Anyone wants her?
Again. Sorry. Sharp.
Hey, say you regret saying you want to kiss me in front of that guy.
She is actually not my type.
Okay, who do you want? Go to the person you want. And you give them the mic and ask them if they want to.
Hello. How are you?
Okay, now look at the eye contact. This guy, I think personally he's surveying her body, like, it's the body T. If the body's T, then sure.
I'm good. I came to you because we have phone. So can I ask, do you want me back?
I'm not interested, ma'am.
She'll start putting on makeup now. I'm insecure. His self-esteem is gone.
You can land back.
Good.
Hey, we are building houses. This it's food above us. Oh, sorry.
Suganil. We know what's gonna happen, Chad.
Oh, phone.
So now I am phone.
There's no other girl that likes him.
Okay, let's move it like that. All right. Right. Oh.
Hi, everyone at home.
I'm going to my sister.
But
I don't know you.
you came for me.
You
This
don't want
person's
any-
breaking the fourth wall. Just do what you gotta do, bro.
Yeah.
Hey, it's bad. And then I'm phone. Anyone wants her?
Yeah, no, I'm yaka to.
Or wow, yeah, come.
Yaka. Yang.
She has no choice though.
Mo fa mic, ba setse ba potlile. Pelo ha o go kae?
Ke motho o mongwe.
Hey.
So a kenya ke yena. Sorry. Sharp ne.
Hey.
You know ba fela like ke wetse wa tlhaloganya.
Oh.
Setse ke fodile phakathi inside. So
My, I feel this mic. Na betile pala mokoni. Ya altalala le betile le khamile noga ka letsogo. Ga manoga e bue, o na lo e bona e re tung. Yes, sorry mama. Rata mo te ya ga mola. Rata mo te ya.
So imagine what happens to the bruise who got no matches on the ladies,
This
guys?
story. Lwena o batla o mo fa yena.
Are they gonna go home? Kanjalo?
Oh.
o tshale nna kante shebile motho wa ka.
It happens, friend. Anqali ngawe agcini ngawe, it happens, dog.
How do you feel about that?
I'm very disappointed. Because yena phela bengimzela kule show le. If ngasi yena, then better luck next time. Sina phela dingimrata na.
But you are in the next show.
I didn't know I'll find love there.
Oh.
Yeah, but for now, disappointed.
Okay, the ones that got people leave the stage.
Okay, guys, we might tell a young, you know what I'm saying? 3v2 situation.
So in this case, in this department, now you guys don't have people. You don't want anyone here. Oh, Ishwena, you wanted him. So why you don't want her, brother?
She is actually not my type. She's not my type.
So what I saw in the footage, what you guys did yesterday?
Nah, bewinto yokuthi yabona.
Woponyela.
Yeah, bengishaya nje ngidlula and umuntu bekazileta so bengina choice now. And bengine dress zami.
Did you guys do anything with ended at kissing?
Bengishaya nje uyazi yena.
Boshaya yini? Ikuku.
Yeah, bengithi nje ngikhipha stress ngayi kahle kahle.
Don't worry. It happens. You remember when you broke that guy's heart was short? Now you're short of love. Because this guy is not giving you. Brawaka, we're not Buddhism or why okay, yeah. Did you tell you said you don't want him because of you want the Aries? Mare Aries agar bozor wa nyaka. But at this moment, just give yourself A round of applause. You guys
Serious,
made it.
guys. Accept hands. Also, someone cut that joke. Accept hands, bro. Everyone is mingling in this show. High key.
To
hands.
episode
Look
4.
at everyone is serious, gang. Good hands.
And all the best in your lives. But the next show is you guys. And ushwaro nyaka erisoro ona lo mo ka ban le ena maybe next time.
Next time ka fitla. Ke re no ke bone hore pila ke power couple e.
Eh.
Ke re ke bone hore ke power couple.
Yeah.
Le bana maikutlo a ka sa mo Iris no. Mara he next show e ka fitla. Go ikrela wa ka.
Wena Sisi?
I think I'm gonna come back.
Can you just say you regret cheating on
Come
that
back with a
guy?
BBL, body modified, crazy boy. Ain't no way. That you know how much aura she lost, bro? 2 times, not once but twice.
Yeah, I do regret. Yeah, I do.
Say you regret saying you want to kiss me in front of that guy.
I regret what's being for no kiss in front of that guy.
Yeah. You know why you have to say that? Because karma is coming you. Karma is coming here. Everyone is the same. Okay, sharp guys. Let's give ourselves a round of applause. All the best in your life. And then I think the road of you guys ends here. And then thank you guys for making it this far. And then see you guys on another show. Because this is my first, whoever's there, this is my first casting. So if you're looking for these people, just decide. Kipatela slender, kipatela. When I was slender, both something like that. And then Spaffy there, and then my bro Rodmani. And I'm
You know, dressing can really make you just Khurban. There's nothing too Khurban about this guy. Like, what else? Why could you really say Khurban here, gang? It's just because the way he's dressed is dressed to a standard. You know, he's high.
I'm not trigger for the last
Hi,
time.
Willie.
Nobody made a show. I say something, all of you guys actually. For the
Tweka shisa. Yeah, batho ba kwa Limpopo ish. Go padile mara next time utla look. Tweka shisa.
Yeah.
Sanibona sizo umhlabela ingana. Ngifuna uthanda ngitholanga. And next time nami uNkulunkulu uzongibheka nami next time ngithola umqondana. Sho umlungisi salute kuqumbo andihamba ngakakuhle ke this time around. But ithemba liphilanga mhlawumbe next time ngizobopha.
Yeah. Keep the sisters.
Hi guys, Kalina Kinaki, and I'd like to greet and thank everyone who long Gilan supporter. Unfortunately,
fine, she no. You know, like some hands are like you know those people that like cute but they don't jump either. Like this is that type of fine shit, gang. No gonna lie. Don't just see her in a basic format. See her when she's Pro Max. You feel me? Oh, phone, are you base? I'm telling you, like I can see a glow up in her, gang. I'm telling you right now.
the next time.
There's a glow up coming.
Sanmanani, Kamala Muspecial Magola,
I hear
and
we can forget and forgive and forget. Shy.
I'm Tulang Utano
There's nothing coming
but I will
yet,
try
boy.
again to the next season. So,
Shy.
as Pili Moya, says Obuya Foot, Kiabonga for your support.
So hi guys, my name is Joseph Diari. Just like that. I don't want anyone. I'm single as charged. So see you guys on another episode.